Hi, here I added cart service and order service. In 3B assignments, I already added token service, event catalog API, and web MVC. For cart service and order services, I added controllers, order controller, and cart controller services, and everything. So after adding everything, I dockerize every service and every container. And after that, Docker, after I did Docker Compose, I'm getting my UI like this. And to my UI. This is my UI. I already sign in with my token, and I recently added filters also. This is category. I can choose category wise. I can get the information for sports events information. If I will go through, select the category. Here is sports events. If I choose festival events, I'm going to get all festival events. Festival events are three. If I will go and choose if the festival events is in Redmond, Seattle, I don't know whether, yeah, these are the festival events in Redmond, Seattle. If I want to choose Redmond, Seattle events, if I will go category is all, the Redmond, Seattle events are here. These are Redmond, Seattle events. See, event management software festival event names are different. If I will go and choose all, I'm going to get my main page. Each page I have 10 items. This is my main page. Now I'm going to add to my cart. Here is 2, 3. Okay, now I'm going to place my order. Here is my order details. Now I'm going to change these to 5 items. Previously 58 is my total. If I am going to change update, I can able to update my amount here. So now I want to check out. This is my checkout option. If after I check out, I can get the message your order is completed. I need to give my card details and everything. Month is 0720 052 parent place order. My order amount is 98. Thank you for order. Your order number is 3. My order is going to register in my Stripe account. This order is going to registered here. If I refresh, my order payment is going to come here. I'm getting the all order details. This order I just did this order 11/1 4/29 2019. This is my order history of my site. And one more thing, I added Swagger. The Swagger gives us documentation of the all APIs. I added Swagger also. This is my basket cart API Swagger details. Here ID is required. Here, try it. I will give order number 2. Execute. If I will go and check with my product API, my event service, for that also 5011 Swagger in product catalog, fun events catalog API. These are all my services. Here I will go on picture API event items. Yeah, this one we can check here. If I will go on try it, if I will give the second picture is going to display here. I think the picture is going to be here. This is the second picture. So my Swagger is also working. If I will go and get execute, I'm going to get all event locations. These are my event locations information. So my Swagger is also working. My Stripe all order details also registered to my Stripe account, and that information gives to my Stripe account, and I can able to store my order details. Thank you.